Hi students, in this video we are going to see about interfacing and temperature sensor with Arduino Uno. And the objective is we are going to glow 3 LEDs based on the temperature measured. And here this LM33 can work in the range of minus 55 degrees Celsius to 150 degrees Celsius. It can measure and it can generate the output in the form of voltage. So this IC or this LM35 is package detail is here. If you keep the flat part in the facing in top, and the leads here, first one is the uh, uh, VCC or the plus 5 volt we have to apply over here, and the middle one is the output, the change in voltage with respect to the temperature, and the last one is the ground. So this we have to interface to a Arduino Uno board. So here is the connection diagram. Here first one we make the connection with the uh, 5 volt supply, onboard supply in the Arduino Uno first pin, and the third pin is connected to the ground, and the middle pin is connected to A0. So we have 6 analog inputs in the Arduino Uno. In that I'm going to use A0 for the input signal for analog to digital conversion. And the hardware connection for making a LED connection, we know that we have 3 different LEDs for displaying the range of temperature. So I have arranged the 3 LEDs and resistors, and their negative terminal or cathode is connected common to the ground, and anode is connected through the resistor to this particular pins. So pin number 11, 10 and 9 we have. Now we have connected we have made the circuit connection. Now going into the program. So we have already discussed this analog to digital conversion and a program in the theory part. Again, the same program is being used here to hold the sensor value. See here the value is read into the controller, and it have to hold somewhere before it transmit to or it do the process. So we need a temporary variable over here, and here the objective tells that we have to display the or we have to glow the LED based on the range, and also we want to send it to the serial port. So for that I need another variable. So I initialize 2 variables here. One is int sensor value to hold the input from the temperature sensor. Another one is serial value to hold the value to send it to the serial port. Now initial setup part, we know that in Arduino here we have 2 functions, one setup function. In setup function we configure the pin as the input pin. Okay, A0, what is A0? The pin which we have connected the temperature sensor. This is configured as an input pin, and pin number 13, 11, 12. These 3 pins were connected as the output pin for making the LED to glow. Next, we also have to make the serial communication with the host terminal. So we initialize the serial port, and next thing here in the loop function, analog read is the function used to read the ADC value. So analog read of A0. So this will convert this function will make the analog to digital converter to start the analog voltage to convert it into the digital value. That digital value will be given to this sensor or copied into the sensor value. This sensor value I am calibrating to the uh, degree Celsius, and for calibration purpose we have to do this mathematics, and that converted value or calibrated value is sent to the serial port. And at the same time, so I want to send it to the serial port, so I am putting in the variable called serial value. This serial value I am sending it through serial port using the function serial.println, and inside the brackets I'm sending the argument as this value. The serial value is passed in this argument. So this function will take care of the uh, transmission of the serial value from the Arduino to the host. And the first part, this is one part of the objective, that is reading the data and converting it and sending it to the serial port. And the second part, or the other part, is to make the LED to glow based on the value. So here we use if else statement. Here I used three if statements. So if this condition here, if the serial value is less than 70, then I want to make the sorry, if the serial value is greater than 70, I want to make the red light to glow. And uh, so for that I'm making the digital write pin number 13, which is connected to the red LED, and that I'm making high. So this alone I'm making high. And next thing is digital write pin number 12, which is yellow. I'm making it low. And digital write 11, which is green, pin number 11, which is green, and I'm making it low. And so this is for first condition if the value is greater than 70. Next one is if the value is between 21 to 70, then we have to give the statement like this. This is one condition and this is another condition. This double ampersand is a AND operation. If this both condition satisfies, then only this if statement will be executed. If any of this statement is not true, then this if statement won't be executed. So between this range of temperature value, this yellow alone have to glow. So so here we made this part of the code to be blank. So the same way how you wrote here, how it is given over here, the same way you have to fill this code, make the pattern of LED that, in such a way that yellow alone glows. And for less than 20, here only green have to glow. And wait for some generate some delay for the ADC to complete the conversion for the next cycle, and then go for the so it will repeat the same again and again until the power goes on. So this is the code, and let me copy it straight away and paste it into the Tinkercad, and let us see what happens there. The same code I will share it in the GCR also, or the same file which I'm sharing now will be shared for you in GCR. So here I'm placing an Arduino board, and I need a LM35. Okay, LM35 is not available, then let me find the temperature sensor what is available. TMP 36. Okay, this also has the same properties like LM35. So I dragged and dropped it here. This one is power, that is plus 5 volt. I have connected to the VCC, and ground to the third pin to this A0. I have connected the input, and we need 3 LEDs here. One is red, yellow, and green, and 3 resistors. Pin number 13, pin number 12, and all the ground I'm connecting to the negative part or ground point of this board. You have to see that red sign, then only it makes sure that there is a connection. So I have made the connections, but let me change the color also. Yellow and green, and this resistor values 220 ohm, I think. And now the hardware is done. Let us go and check for the code. So the default code I'm removing, and I'm updating with the code from the manual. And here I have to change this according to the. I'm just putting the same, but you just okay. I put some random value here. You please check with the value and make it on. And now I think everything is done. Now let us go and check the simulation. Again, I repeat, we have initialized the this pin, A0 pin, as the input pin, and this 3 pins as the output pins. So that's what this pin line number 5 to line number 8 is for. And for making the serial communication, I have to initialize this serial communication at the baud rate of 9600. And here we need to hold the value in some variable. After this analog to digital is converted, I want to hold it in my program with some variable name, and for that I initialize a variable with a size of in the size of integer, and that sends into that I read the analog value and store it. For that we use the function analog read pin within the brackets the pin number. And the next one is the conversion of the uh, um, analog or the digital value, because it is simply uh, uh, a analog to digital converter. It is not the temperature. Okay, the temperature won't match with the actual one. So what we have to do is we have to convert into the Celsius form. So for that the formula is the given value, the measured or the digital value minus 120, 102 divided by 2 gives us the conversion. That value I'm sending storing it in serial value. Which, so here sensor value is the raw data, and the serial value is the calibrated or converted value, and that converted value I'm printing in the serial port. And based on this is the first objective. Second objective is here, from here to here. Based on the measured value, I'm glowing this 3 LEDs. Okay, now let's check this. I'm just have given some random value. So now how to change the temperature in this simulation environment is, you have to click the sensor, and you will find the a slider over that. If you change the slider, you can it will change the temperature. Now here I have made for less temperature all 3 LEDs glows. For high temperature only red glows. So I have made it in that way. So you can see here in this, when the temperature is high only red glows, and when the temperature is medium red and yellow glows, and when temperature is low all 3 LEDs glow. You make the pattern in any way, or you make the pattern based on the range individual LED. One LED at a time should glow, that you change.